Selamat siang. Apakah ini terminal yang benar untuk keberangkatan internasional? Good afternoon. Is this the right terminal for international departures? Good afternoon. Is this the right terminal for international departures? Permisi, di mana loket check-in untuk Emirates? Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Emirates? Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Emirates? Saya ingin check-in untuk penerbangan saya ke London. I would like to check in for my flight to London. I would like to check in for my flight to London. Ini paspor dan tiket saya. Here's my passport and ticket. Here's my passport and ticket. Saya punya satu koper untuk ditaruh di bagasi dan satu untuk dibawa ke kabin. I have one bag to check and one carry-on. I have one bag to check and one carry-on. Apakah saya boleh membawa ransel ini ke kabin? Can I keep this backpack with me in the cabin? Can I keep this backpack with me in the cabin? Berapa kilo yang diperbolehkan untuk bagasi kabin? How many kilos am I allowed for hand luggage? How many kilos am I allowed for hand luggage? Boleh saya minta kursi dekat jendela? Could I please have a window seat? Could I please have a window seat? Apakah mungkin duduk di dekat pintu darurat? Is it possible to sit near the exit row? Is it possible to sit near the exit row? Bisakah saya pindah ke kursi lorong? Can I change to an aisle seat? Can I change to an aisle seat? Apakah saya harus mencetak boarding pass atau cukup di ponsel? Do I need a printed boarding pass or is the mobile one enough? Do I need a printed boarding pass or is the mobile one enough? Apakah penerbangan saya sesuai jadwal? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Nomor gate saya berapa? What is my gate number? What is my gate number? Di mana saya bisa membayar kelebihan bagasi? Where can I pay for excess baggage? Where can I pay for excess baggage? Apakah ada tempat untuk membungkus koper saya? Is there a place to wrap my luggage? Is there a place to wrap my luggage? Di mana toilet terdekat sebelum pemeriksaan keamanan? Where is the nearest restroom before security check? Where is the nearest restroom before security check? Apakah saya perlu mengeluarkan laptop untuk pemeriksaan keamanan? Do I need to take out my laptop for security? Do I need to take out my laptop for security? Haruskah saya melepas sepatu dan ikat pinggang? Do I need to remove my shoes and belt? Do I need to remove my shoes and belt? Apakah saya boleh membawa botol air ini? Can I bring this water bottle with me? Can I bring this water bottle with me? Apakah makanan ringan boleh dibawa di bagasi kabin? Are snacks allowed in hand luggage? Are snacks allowed in hand luggage? Apakah power bank ini boleh dibawa ke pesawat? Is this power bank allowed on the plane? Is this power bank allowed on the plane? Di mana saya harus meletakkan jaket saya? Where should I put my jacket? Where should I put my jacket? Bolehkah saya melewati pemindai sekali lagi? May I pass through the scanner again? May I pass through the scanner again? Di mana saya mengambil barang-barang saya setelah dipindai? Where do I collect my items after scanning? Where do I collect my items after scanning? Apakah saya di jalur yang benar untuk paspor asing? And am I in the right line for foreign passports? And am I in the right line for foreign passports? Berapa lama waktu tunggu di imigrasi? How long is the wait at immigration? How long is the wait at immigration? Apakah ada jalur cepat untuk transit penumpang? Is there a fast track for transit passengers? Is there a fast track for transit passengers? Ini paspor saya. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Saya datang untuk wisata. I am here for tourism. I am here for tourism. Saya akan tinggal selama 2 minggu. I will be staying for 2 weeks. I will be staying for 2 weeks. Saya menginap di Hotel Grand Central. I am staying at the Grand Central Hotel. I am staying at the Grand Central Hotel. Ini tiket pulang saya. Here is my return ticket. Here is my return ticket. Saya sedang transit ke New York. I am in transit to New York. I am in transit to New York. Apakah saya perlu kartu kedatangan? Do I need an arrival card? Do I need an arrival card? Apakah saya perlu mengisi formulir bea cukai? Do I need to fill out a customs form? Do I need to fill out a customs form? Di mana ruang tunggu keberangkatan internasional? Where is the International Departure Lounge? Where is the International Departure Lounge? Apakah ada colokan listrik di sini? Is there a power outlet here? Is there a power outlet here? Apakah ada wifi gratis di bandara ini? Is there free Wi-Fi in this airport? Is there free Wi-Fi in this airport? Berapa lama boarding dimulai sebelum keberangkatan? How long before departure does boarding start? How long before departure does boarding start? Apakah ada toko bebas bea di sekitar sini? Is there a duty-free shop nearby? Is there a duty-free shop nearby? Di mana saya bisa membeli SIM card lokal? Where can I buy a local SIM card? Where can I buy a local SIM card? Apakah ada restoran halal di bandara ini? Is there a halal restaurant in this airport? Is there a halal restaurant in this airport? Berapa harga air mineral ini? How much is this bottle of water? How much is this bottle of water? Apakah saya boleh membawa makanan ini ke pesawat? Can I bring this food on the plane? Can I bring this food on the plane? Di mana ruang merokok? Where's the smoking area? Where's the smoking area? Apakah ada musola di bandara ini? Is there a prayer room in this airport? Is there a prayer room in this airport? Apakah penerbangan ke Tokyo ditunda? Is the flight to Tokyo delayed? Is the flight to Tokyo delayed? Berapa lama penundaannya? How long is the delay? How long is the delay? Apakah saya perlu mengganti boarding pass saya? Do I need to change my boarding pass? Do I need to change my boarding pass? Di mana saya bisa mendapatkan informasi tentang penerbangan saya? Where can I get information about my flight? Where can I get information about my flight? Apakah ada ruang tunggu khusus untuk transit? Is there a special lounge for transit? Is there a special lounge for transit? Apakah saya harus melewati imigrasi lagi untuk penerbangan lanjutan? Do I need to go through immigration again for my connecting flight? Do I need to go through immigration again for my connecting flight? Apakah bagasi saya langsung diteruskan ke tujuan akhir? Is my baggage checked through to the final destination? Is my baggage checked through to the final destination? Apakah saya perlu mengambil bagasi saya di sini? Do I need to collect my baggage here? Do I need to collect my baggage here? Di mana ruang transfer penumpang? Where is the transfer desk? Where is the transfer desk? Kapan boarding dimulai? When does boarding start? When does boarding start? Apakah boarding sudah dimulai untuk penerbangan ini? Has boarding started for this flight? Has boarding started for this flight? Apakah grup 3 sudah dipanggil? Has group 3 been called? Has group 3 been called? Ini boarding pass saya. Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Apakah saya di gate yang benar? Am I at the right gate? Am I at the right gate? Apakah ada bus menuju pesawat ini? Is there a bus to this plane? Is there a bus to this plane? Apakah saya perlu menunjukkan paspor lagi? Do I need to show my passport again? Do I need to show my passport again? Apakah ada jalur prioritas untuk keluarga dengan anak kecil? Is there a priority lane for families with children? Is there a priority lane for families with children? Apakah ada ruang bagasi di atas kursi saya? Is there overhead bin space above my seat? Is there overhead bin space above my seat? Bolehkah saya menaruh tas saya di sini? May I put my bag here? May I put my bag here? Apakah kursi ini sudah ditempati? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Bisakah Anda membantu saya mengangkat koper saya? Could you help me lift my suitcase? Could you help me lift my suitcase? Apakah ada selimut? Is there a blanket available? Is there a blanket available? Bolehkah saya meminta bantal? May I have a pillow, please? May I have a pillow, please? Apakah saya bisa mendapatkan headphone? Can I get a headset? Can I get a headset? Film apa yang sedang diputar di sistem hiburan? What movies are available on the entertainment system? What movies are available on the entertainment system? Apakah ada menu makanan vegetarian? Is there a vegetarian meal option? Is there a vegetarian meal option? Bolehkah saya memesan makanan halal? May I order a halal meal? May I order a halal meal? Minuman apa yang tersedia? What drinks are available? What drinks are available? Apakah saya bisa mendapatkan air putih? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Bolehkah saya minta secangkir teh? May I have a cup of tea? May I have a cup of tea? Kapan kita akan mendarat? When will we land? When will we land? Apakah kita akan tiba tepat waktu? Will we arrive on time? Will we arrive on time? Apakah saya perlu mengisi formulir imigrasi di pesawat? Do I need to fill out an immigration form on the plane? Do I need to fill out an immigration form on the plane? Apakah saya bisa mendapatkan pena untuk mengisi formulir? Can I have a pen to fill out the form? Can I have a pen to fill out the form? Di mana klaim bagasi setelah tiba? Where is the baggage claim after arrival? Where is the baggage claim after arrival? Bagasi saya belum muncul. My baggage has not arrived yet. My baggage has not arrived yet. Koper saya hilang. Apa yang harus saya lakukan? My suitcase is missing. What should I do? My suitcase is missing. What should I do? Ini laporan bagasi saya yang hilang. Here is my lost baggage report. Here is my lost baggage report. Di mana loket transportasi taksi? Where is the taxi stand? Where is the taxi stand? Berapa tarifnya ke pusat kota? How much is the fare to downtown? How much is the fare to downtown? Apakah ada bus bandara menuju hotel saya? Is there an airport bus to my hotel? Is there an airport bus to my hotel? Bisakah saya membayar dengan kartu kredit? Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Apakah ada layanan rideshare seperti Uber di bandara ini? Is there a rideshare service like Uber at this airport? Is there a rideshare service like Uber at this airport?